Good morning. Welcome to a sunrise Qigong practice where we are going to be doing dragon plays with a pearl. There's going to be a lot of spontaneity in this practice, but there's also going to be a lot of structure aimed to release stress and tension. To start off with, let us make sure that you create a sanctuary. That can be both external and internal. Make sure your place is cleared of any clutter. Feels good. Feels safe. Create that safe, secure feeling inside of you too. Kind of a contract with yourself that if you are interrupted, you're not going to be startled. You're safe. You're secure. And then we move on to 3 shifts. We shift our mind, body, and breath. Shifting our mind, we come into a Qigong state of mind. We shift our state of mind to tranquil, calm, relaxed, and loosely focused on just one thing, what we're doing right now. Let's relax the body. Let's shift weight to the right. Step out with the left. Ergonomic neutral position, a position that we can relax into the structure of our fascia and muscles and bones to support us. So we can hang loosely, relaxed, softening, lengthening, but be supported and feel safe. Connect the mind and the body with the breath, with long, slow, deep breaths. Think at the top of your head and float. Inhale. Feel the soles of your feet. Exhale. Sigh of relief like you're making a ha sound, like you're fogging up a mirror. One more time. Ah. Now we're going to use the sense of interoception, feeling. And you may close your eyes if you feel safe to be able to do this better. We're going to relax from head to toe. And we're going to do a body scan from the top of the head to the bottoms of the feet. And we're going to release any tension. And this is a skill that we must practice to get better at. We float the head. Place your mind at the top of your head. Feel your scalp. Feel for any tension and soften the scalp and release it. Then we move to the forehead and allow your intuition to overcome your critical thinking. If you need to do something like stretch the forehead and release it, yawn, sigh, relax all the muscles of the face, soften, let the tension flow off of you. As you soften the body and sink and relax from head to toe. Let the jaw drop open a little bit. We can't relax with our teeth clenched tight. We need to soften, release tension in the throat and all the muscles of the chest going down the front part of the body, letting the stress just roll off the core where we hold a lot of tension. Trust in your structure. We're not releasing totally into the ground. We're not falling over, but we are releasing straight down, softening, releasing excess tension. The front of the legs into the ground. Then we float the head. Pay attention to the scalp again. The back of the head, where the head meets the pillow. Your neck, you may find you need to turn, shake off some of the stress. For the shoulders, you may feel like you need to raise the shoulders and drop them, dumping the stress. Soften, release all the muscles of the back, from the top to the bottom, the hips, the glutes, the back of the legs. Sigh of relief. Now on the inside, from the top of the head, going straight down, interior, feeling for interior tension. Might be emotions, might be mental, might be physical stuckness. Soften and release. That sigh of relief can help here. Inhale, exhale. Like a steam whistle lets off stress in the form of steam, pressure. Let that internal pressure out. Sighs and yawns are good here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let the hands just float up. And we inhale. And we exhale and we hold a ball in front of us. And we can rotate that ball so that each hand takes its turn at the top. And we can hold the ball in front of us. And we can shift our weight, just flow our weight to the left and flow our weight to the right. And the hands come with us, and with the hands come the ball that we're carrying. And we're going to call this ball the pearl. Dragon plays with the pearl, and you are the dragon. Inhale, shift. Inhale, shift. The exhales taking care of themselves, or you can exhale. Let the inhales take care of themselves. Breathing spontaneously, long, slow, deep breaths when you need to. Now, back at center, sinking and floating. Float the top of the head, sink and soften the knees. Turn the upper body. Just turn from the waist to the left. The hands come with it. The hands come the ball or the pearl. Turn back to the front. Now turn to the right. Now combine the shifting with the turning. Relax more and more. And to aid in this relaxation, every corner, every 45 degrees, we turn to the side, we turn to the left, rotate the ball. Then carry the ball to the other side. We're not carrying with our arms, turning the waist and shifting the weight. Just turning the body, we rotate the ball. Dragon plays with the pearl. Relax, move, flow. We can make a figure eight. Let's get more playful. Dragon plays with the pearl. Relax, flow. Breathe in, breathe out. And we can hold the pearl in front of us. And we can expand and open up the chest, let the ball get bigger. And close, let the ball get smaller. Inhaling as we open up the chest. Exhaling as the hands come back together. We can rotate the ball and we can expand up and down. Breathing in as we expand, filling up the ball. Exhale, compress, rotate, compress, expanding, inhaling, circling, exhaling, compressing. We can take this expansive move sideways, leave the bottom hand down, turn the waist to the left, the hand goes up. Like if you've ever played with a slinky or pulling taffy. We can rotate to the other side. We can take the ball, drop it down, pull it back towards our body, raise it up to face level, move it out away from our body, drop it down in this large circle in front of us. Inhale as we come up. Exhale as we go down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale out and down. Gather in. Bring it in and up as you inhale. And exhale down and out. Circling. Bring it up. Let it drop down about chest level. Rotate. And let it drop down to a comfortable level. Shifting the weight from side to side. Turning the waist from side to side. Rotating the ball in the corners. Relaxing. Conserving our energy. Shifting from left to right. Turning to left to right. Turning the ball in the corners. Relaxing. Flowing. Unwinding. Let the tension start to unwind. We're conserving our energy, softening the body, shaking off the stress. And then we can just let go. Let the hands flow however they want. Let the body relax, soften, move however it wants to keep on going with this momentum. Safely, securely letting go and unwinding. Like if the body is a tightly coiled spring, it is unwinding, releasing tension, releasing everything that doesn't need to be held, stored, everything that's stuck physically, mentally, emotionally. We can make sounds like the sigh of relief can get it started, or yawning. Ah. Feel tight, loosen. Feel tight areas soften, loosen, relax, unwind. Good. Let that slowly wind down. Just softly, less and less momentum, winding down, thinking of your lower center of gravity, grounding, putting our mind in the lower dantian, just briefly noting, slowing down comfortably. It still lets emotion go on, but we're coming back to center. And enjoy this moment. Just enjoy the stillness, the quiet, arriving at this place. Enjoy your breathing. And if your eyes are closed, don't open them yet. Come back slowly. Whether your eyes are closed or not, rub your hands together briskly in front of you. Eyes remain closed. Generate some heat, friction, rubbing our palms together. Then place those warm palms over your eyes. Let the warmth soak into your eyes. Enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. And then slowly blink open your eyes. Dry wash your face. Rub your ears like you're rubbing coins. You're going to do some eye acupoint massage using the pads of the index fingers. We're not putting our fingers in the eyes. We're putting the pads outside and around the eyes. Different nerve centers, acupoints, starting with the inner corner of the eye. We just softly place our pads and rotate, rotate, rotate. Inner corner of the eyebrows. Circle, circle, circle. From the inner corner of the eye, brow, swipe to the outer corner of the eyebrow. Do that a few times. Then stop above the pupils, circle there. In the middle, the eyebrow. Outside corner of the eyebrow, circle. Outside corner of the eyes. Swipe under the eyes, under the pupils, back to the start, inner corner of the eyes. Then your fingers are already there at the top of the nose, the ridge of the nose, down with both pads, both index fingers. Swipe a few times. And then down to the base of the nose. 2 points down there. 2 points behind the ears. And I'm going to create a vacuum on my ears and tap, 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 or drum at all the points at the base of the skull, where the pillow meets the head. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this sunrise Qigong in the morning to get you going, some spontaneous Qigong to unwind and help you get your best day. Thanks.